What's good, you guys? Before we get started, I want to give a big thanks to Benks for sending out the product for review today. We got the Benks ArmorAir Grand Combo. Now with this, you get the screen protector as well as the case. It is a Kevlar, as you can see, for the Samsung Z Fold 7. Look at this box. When the unboxing experience, bro, is better than the phone. This is crazy. Like, big shout out to Benks for coming strong with the unboxing right here. Check this out. This is clean. So let's go ahead and get into it. So here it is, y'all. This is the ArmorAir Grand Combo. You got the front part and the back. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna use the front. I never usually do, but we'll see how it lines up. And you get your screen protector. So let's go ahead and jump into this. Go ahead and get into this thing. So yeah, here's the case, and then underneath you also get the front. I'm not usually a fan of the front case, but we'll see how it lines up just for the sake of the video. But let's go ahead and take a look, man, at this. Now, when I seen this thing online, I was excited. Ooh wee. Look at this, man. This is so beautiful. Look at the pattern on this thing. I'm really feeling this. Really feeling this. Now this does have hinge protection. Bam. Love the color scheme. This matches really well. This will match really well with my silver. Loving it. Now this seems to have like a hint of gold, but like I said, even on the phone has like a slight hint of gold in my opinion. But you also got MagSafe. I know y'all see that. Yes, sir. I love that. Now on this one as well also has like the adhesive strip, or I'm not sure if it's adhesive or grip. Either way, allowing for to make the case stick a little bit better. I'm probably not gonna take that off, but we'll see. But man, I love this. Hold up. Yeah, that's a great smell. Love that. Love that. I'll set this down for a second, and then we're gonna go ahead and check out front parts. Oops. I destroyed that. Oh shit. Okay, on the side here. There we go. So now I anticipate this being very flimsy and thin. And yeah, it is. So you got your adhesive strip right here. Now this is probably gonna be mandatory to undo if you want to use this. Let's go ahead and we're gonna get it on the phone. Then we'll do the last part of the video will be the screen protector installation. So, like I said, man, look at Benks though. Look at Benks with the unboxing experience, man. You got to give a shout out when the case company starts coming strong with the unboxing. It kind of makes the price a little bit worth it. I mean, in a way, like it's still expensive, but you know, quality of case, unboxing, can't really be mad. This does retail around 89 bucks. You do get the screen protector, a good one included, glass screen protector. So we'll check that out, like I said, here in a moment. But let's go ahead and get this thing on the phone. Wow, got the Z Fold on deck. So like I said, we're gonna try it without taking the adhesive strip off. We're gonna go ahead and slap this on the back. And I kind of melted real quick. But man. Now, let's see something. Okay. Oh my Lord. Look at this. I need to get my like top down and like 2 camera setup going for my setup, because y'all need to see my facial expression with this thing, man. This is beautiful, man. Beautiful. Now, if I got one complaint, which I do, everything seems to be lined up. You know, cutouts on the bottom look good. Cutouts on the top look good. Now, I don't know if I'm tripping. Hold on, let me see. I don't know if I'm tripping, but the camera seems just to be slightly off-centered. Now, It's lined up well with the flash, so that's fine. But I think this part right here, now it fits, you know, within the bezels, there's no problem. It's not gonna interfere with anything, but like if you got OCD, this might kind of bother you. Like it's a little bit wider on this side compared to here. Now, the great thing about this here is this actually sits semi-flush. So this doesn't even really feel like much of an interference. To me, it would make it an easier decision to go with just the front side here, or just the back side of the case instead of putting the whole thing on. So be precise. No, don't add a screen protector on there, so. There we go. Now this is clean though. I ain't gonna hold you. Now. Okay, bam. I was a little afraid that the hinge protector would kind of slide up and push it off a little bit, but no, it does its thing. That is super clean. Like it gives it like this like makes it feel like a notebook or something like that. Oh my gosh. I love this pattern, by the way. Like this is so nice. I got to try out the MagSafe. We got the mag back joint and then we got the Journey wallet. Let's go ahead and, okay. Good MagSafe strength. Now, I think Benks has a mag wallet or something for the back. I would opt for something like that so that way, you know, it's gonna work well without interfering with this camera surround. But I think this one might be good as well. Let's see. Dang, no, it won't. It won't, unfortunately. This is so fire. Lord. Benks, I might do what I normally don't do. I might rock it all the way like this. I took all the joints off, but I gotta put the screen protector on. So we're gonna do that real quick, get the full protection, and we'll be right back. All right, so we did remove the front side joint. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the back case to get it prepped for the screen protector. Now, I probably wouldn't recommend, like if you are gonna use the full joint, check out the rock. Check out the wobble. If you are gonna use the front part of the case, I wouldn't recommend, you know, removing it too many times, but I think you should be safe, you know, for maybe, you know, a couple removing installs. You know, just be careful not touching it with your hands or anything like that. Here's the screen protector, setting that off. Now I got your stickers included. Got some instructions that we probably ain't gonna use. Installation kit. So we're gonna get it prepped up. I have one of these. I have the old plastic joint that came with the clear case that we did for the Z Fold 7. Let's go ahead and knock this off. Now this served really well. Honestly, if you're in a pinch and you need some, definitely go pick this up. This is that clear joint. It's a nice case as well. Comes with 2 screen protectors. You shouldn't, you know, run out of 2 like I did because I'm trash and didn't know how to install it. So I should have had a backup, but like I said, I'm trash. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it cleaned up. Got a couple joints inside. The edges, for the most part, the center is pretty good. I'm pretty confident that those ones will go away. It's very case friendly. This should line up very nicely with the screen protector in mind. So there we go. Yeah, I like that. It's a nice little flush looking experience. Completed with the back. And there you go. So a couple things when it came to the installation, maybe some pointers, I guess, for them is this thing here is pretty nerve-wracking. I thought I was going to break it every single time I pulled it off. So I probably did something wrong. But regardless, though, here is the final product. Looks really nice. I am definitely going to be rocking this. It's nice because, you know, the phone itself has already got a thin profile. Adding a little tiny bit of bulk with the full experience does not make it feel too much worse, in my opinion. Slightly thicker, you know, this now feels like a regular Z Fold 6 without a case. So I'm impressed. I love it. So that is the Benks Grand Air combo for the Z Fold 7. Let me know what y'all think about this thing in the comments below. Like, subscribe, share, do it for your boy. It's your man. We are out.